Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to locate an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue. And then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle after selecting Got it. Lastly, swipe up and choose Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!